what we have here is two grasshoppers. Big grasshopper is carrying the little one. So is that normal? I'm not sure because I've never seen one before. The mommy grasshopper carrying the baby. Alright, they're hiding. It's hard to see because grasshopper is green and obviously we're looking at the grass. Alright, I just wanted to share my finding this morning or this afternoon. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say if someone is familiar with this behavior. Alright, enjoy your day. Be safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.